I'm going to record like this today. Where's the football?
Yeah, I find out how to do it.
Where's my football? Football is... Found it. Let's go outside. Alright guys, I'm actually going to leave the camera next to the window, so it's recording. So if anyone walks past like my mum, just ignore it. I'm just doing the football because it's wet outside anyway. So I'm going to go outside now and come back in. Right. Here's a fail. Oh, hello. Okay. It's already got a nut in its mouth. It had a nut in its mouth. Right, just a quick. I got that on camera. Right, let's just leave that there. Leave it, guys.
Hey, Mum. If I do all my homework now, every single bit of it, with no winching, do you know how to go to JD next time at McDonald's? I'm just saying, it's okay I'm saying that because in 4 weeks, but I don't really want to do it in 4 weeks. I'll just do all of it now. When I want to get some, again, I'll do all of it. But I'm choosing the right choice because sugar. I'm choosing the right choice. This one you can turn blood off, but no, it is Call of Duty, but wait. Do you remember when we went to get Call of Duty Black Ops 3 at the shop? The lady said no, because he didn't look it up on Google. So
Let me show you what I'm doing. I hope that exactly came well. Let me show you what I'm doing. One sec, guys. What if my camera might no way go off? But anyway, I don't think this is going to record that good. But hey ho. So when you kick the ball up to the roof. Bye bye. Oh! When you try your best but you don't succeed. Right, from here. You ready? Oh my gosh. I thought that hit the car then. I honestly thought that hit a car. Sorry. Oh, my shoes are wet. Maybe. don't do that again. So I must drop my phone then. Should I try and get it over? Like over the roof. Right. I'm gonna finish it off here, guys. Oh! No, I'm not. I'm landing now. Hello. Hello. Anyway guys, I'm going to end it there. Thanks for watching.